We are taking a closer look at the investing app, Spaceship. Specifically, how many people are using it? You've probably seen their ads, maybe heard a friend mention it, or seen it pop up when you're searching for ways to get into the stock market. Spaceship's a big player in the micro-investing world, especially in Australia, so it's a fair question to ask about their size and reach. Spaceship has consistently reported its customer numbers over the years. They've stated they have grown to over 200,000 customers. This number isn't just a random guess, it's a figure they have actively promoted in their own communications, from blog posts to press releases. So what does that number mean? Well, for a company that launched its main investing product, Spaceship Voyager, in 2018, reaching over 200,000 customers in a relatively short time is a significant milestone. It shows a strong and rapid adoption rate, particularly among younger investors. A lot of their appeal comes from their low minimum investment, making it accessible for people who might be new to investing and don't have a lot of money to start with. The user base is primarily composed of young Australians, with their most popular age group being 20 to 39-year-olds. This is exactly who they are targeting with their mission to make investing easy for everyone. They focus on providing a simple, app-based platform that allows people to invest in diversified, managed portfolios. In addition to the customer count, another key metric is funds under management, or FUM. Spaceship has also shared that they have surpassed $1.5 billion in combined funds under management. This is an important number because it reflects not just how many people are on the platform, but the total value of the money they are managing for those customers. It shows that while many users may be starting with small amounts, the collective sum is quite large and growing. So, Spaceship has over 200,000 users and has surpassed $1.5 billion in funds under management. These numbers paint a picture of a successful and growing platform that's making a real impact in the world of personal finance.